Hi, my name is Josen, and I'm here to present my project for SIT 210. So here's my system. It's a plant monitoring and at the same time water control system. But by the looks of it, I don't have the necessary hardware to uh, handle the control part. So for that, I'm trying to simulate it by using um, LED lights to represent when will those hardware be used. So first, let's break it down. What are the components for this system? So I'm using Raspberry Pi 3B Plus with jumper wires and a breadboard with two sensors. One is the DHT11 and also YL69 for the soil moisture, and some resistors as well. So it's a simple system, and what I'm trying to get out from this is gauging the soil moisture from the plant so that the system would know when to water it at, and at the same time with the temperature sensor, it's meant to detect the temperature of where the plant is based or is located. So from there, again, for the lack of hardware as well, like I have an air conditioner here, but then it's an Arlec brand, and I tried searching for IR codes for it, but wasn't successful to check public IR codes for this machine. For the water um control system, I was thinking of using an aquarium pump, but to no avail. So what I use is that since it's more of like valve way, and I wasn't able to implement the relay, but I represented it with this LED light, the blue one. So whenever the YL16 or the soil moisture changes to would warn the user that it needs to have like water because the soil is dry. So basically that's the only thing that adds up there. For the green one, it's meant for the light. So based on the code, or the code it's meant to turn on every day for a specified time. So since plants need sunlight during the day, it's meant to be turned on during the duration of that during the duration where the sun's supposed to be up. So this green light represents that light is turned on for the whole duration. So it's also part of the code that it's gonna be on for quite some time until like dusk. So that's the simplest explanation for the system. I will run it here. So yep, so I've run it, tested it previously, and there you have it. So it's recording the timestamp as well as like the actual time, and you have the temperature and humidity. But I think that's not my local because that says 9 and it's different. So currently it's around what, 7 a.m. And yeah, so this light is meant to be on from 6:30 until 5:30 in the afternoon, so the it means it's working. So yeah, because it's turned on. And I've tried publishing the data to the cloud, and I'm tried using Google Cloud Platform. However, the problem I encountered was that I tried going to like access the subscription, pull those published. However, I couldn't work it through. Although using Python, I was able to do it. The reason why I only focus on using Raspberry Pi is because it was difficult for me to pull data from the cloud using PubSub to my Raspberry Pi. That's why I resorted to just using Raspberry Pi instead of using Raspberry Pi and Photon. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for my side. Thanks.